A lot of you guys have been asking me how they can earn money on Facebook while they post their content. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, click on these three bars here. Okay, now click on professional dashboard. Okay, you'll scroll down and see this button for monetization. Just click on it. Okay, then there are different ways in which you can be monetized on Facebook. There's ads on Reels, bonuses, live ads, in-stream ads. Now the first two options, ads on Reels and bonuses, you must be invited. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. You see? Invitation only. Then the other option, invitation only. That's the only eligibility criteria required here. Okay, but we have other two options, live ads and in-stream ads. Let's start with the in-stream live ads. Live ads, okay? Let's check the criteria. Okay, now in order to earn with this option, you must live in an eligible country. I'll talk about this later, okay? Now you must follow content monetization policies. I'll also talk about that in the next part of this video. Okay, now you must have at least 10,000 followers, okay? 600,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Okay, just check that keenly, in the last 60 days, okay? And at least 60,000 of those minutes viewed are from live videos, are from live videos. 60,000 of the 600,000 minutes viewed are from live videos. And you must have shared 5 or more eligible videos in the last 30 days. Okay? At least 3 videos were previously live in the last 90 days. You must check all these things in order to earn on Facebook, okay? Okay, let me tell you another option. In-stream ads, okay? In-stream ads, you must have 5,000 followers. This at least you can manage this. It's a little manageable, okay? And you must have at least 60,000 minutes viewed, okay? Then you must have shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days. Okay, now I was talking about eligible countries. Most of the European countries are eligible for Facebook monetization, but in Africa, we have South Africa, Egypt, and recently I think Kenya has qualified for monetization. So you should make use of that and earn something. You should not just be posting content on Facebook without getting some reward out of it. Okay.